All right, guys. Hopefully you can hear me. Sorry about hopefully you can see me. I think you can see this box. So we got a big time unboxing. This is about $1,400 worth of stuff in here. I think there's 16 things in here that I got to show you. But yeah, it's a lot of stuff. I don't know if you can, the camera that I usually use is out of commission right now. It's actually getting fixed. And so I don't have a mic. I don't have my normal mic, but I needed to get this recorded and I didn't have time to wait because I waited all weekend to even open this. And yeah, my camera's messed up. So anyway, we got a big unboxing and I got a lot of good stuff in here. Some of the stuff is, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it down here as we go. So all this is from Hobby Link Japan. You get your typical book that they give you. You get all the plastic. I got some really cool stuff in here, I'm telling you. I can't wait to see what's in here. So, all right, starting off hot. We got the Mafex Daredevil. Been waiting to review this guy. I've heard nothing but good things about it. Same thing with this. The Mafex Captain America. Love it, love it, love it. We have the SH Figuarts Nezuko. So, from Demon Slayer. The Mafex Phoenix. So we'll see what she's like. Not the biggest fan of how Mafex does their females, but they do a good job sometimes. I'm actually gonna sit down. Alrighty, here we get the big stuff, and this is why I could only get 16 things shipped. Because look at the size of this box, and look at what we have. I know. I get quite a lot of views on these statue reviews for whatever reason. And we got, what is this chick's name? Is it Rogue? I don't know, but it's another statue and you can see it is freaking huge. Freaking huge. Look at this box. Look at look at it. You know what this statue is like. Let's be clear. But yeah, that is one gigantic box. I was wondering why it cost so much to get this stuff shipped. That is one of the reasons. Because that thing is huge. We got some more JoJo's Bizarre Adventure stuff. Some what do they call these? The super action statues. So we got that. Obviously, it's funny because they had to all the statues they had to wrap in these papers so you couldn't see them. But you have another statue. This is a smaller one, a much smaller one. I didn't know she was gonna be so small. But yeah, I don't know this character's name. Most of these statues are usually from like illustrations. But Nagi Uzaki, I don't know if that's her name or not, or if that's like the person that made it. But there's another statue there. My dog is all up in my business. We have, okay, so this actually goes with a character, which is her. So this is her little Cyclone bunny. And then we have, is it Eileen? I think it's Eileen. I believe this is Snail Shell. It's either Snail Shell or Hasuki. I think it's Snail, yeah, this is Snail Shell. But we got her and her little bike. So that'll be an interesting review. Sorry about my super squeaky chair. Yeah, another one. We have Yusuke, SH Figure Arts Yusuke, Urameshi, from what's the face? I forget the name of the anime, but everybody loves the anime. Some people call it their favorite anime. I liked it. It was good, but it's not the best anime by any means. We got another statue. This one wasn't wrapped, surprisingly. I wonder why they didn't wrap this one. But yeah, another statue. So that is cool. I don't see what this one is. Nurse Haruki Natsuho would like to take your temperature. That's what it says. Okay. So she's a nurse, I guess. So that looks good. Oh, we have a lot of the weapons for the Figma gun girls, like the little army gun girls. Bunch of the weapon packs. So got a few of those. Got 3 of them actually. So this is cool. Machine gun. And then we got bombs and stuff, and like a sniper rifle or something. So got a few of those. Oh wow, this was a big box too. Wow, this thing is huge. We got another snail shell, and it's the Pumpkin Princess. It says 1/12 scale, but this is a huge box. So I guess this little thing contraption that she's riding in must be huge. Yeah, I can only fit 16 things in this gigantic box, and I guess this is why, because everything is so freaking big. And then we got one more thing. And if you can guess, this is another statue. It says 18, I guess is the company. And I'm a little nervous to open this one. Hopefully the box doesn't have any graphics on there that YouTube won't like. But let's see. I think it might. Okay, I didn't want to open it. Oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't have anything on there on the front. But it is another statue. No door or anything for me to see what it looks like on the inside. You know, I like it when they have those bottoms. Let's see. Let's go ahead and open it, and we can see if it is appropriate. Let's see. I'm gonna open it down here first, just in case. Nope, it is definitely not appropriate for me to show. Unfortunately, we will just have to wait for the review, which will be interesting because this one is going to be tough to review because she is quite naked. I put a picture of what she looks like in the promo images that they have online. I'm gonna put it up at the top, and that is it for the unboxing. That's all I had. So in this past month, I probably have spent around $2,500 on action figures this month. Good times. Anyway, that's it for the unboxing. Remember, I do have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway that I'm doing once I hit 1,000 subs. So you guys will be seeing that coming up if I hit 1,000 subs before the end of the year. Regardless, I'm still gonna have it. It doesn't matter if it's before the end of the year or after. But stay tuned for that. Hopefully, when I hit 1,000 subs, we will see. You will see all the stuff that a person will get to pick from. They'll get to pick from out of the items that I am giving away. So yeah, that is it though. Peace.